Hi guys, welcome this video. My name is Prakash Shrestha. Today I can share with you the most powerful topics of the DXNs. What it is the DXN, why need you help the DXN, why need it in your journey life for success, the DXNs. DXN is the Food Supplements International one driving company which is provide in your life health, wealth, happiness and then the financial freedoms. This DXN company is the Ganodharma company in all around the world. This DXN company is the 40 countries the much more others country establishing the company, the branches, the 200 much more country available DXN products. That is the DXN will be creating the in your life, in your success journey will be the confidence. Yes, you will is not information of the those peoples how to increasing your business the all around the world. Don't worry, I will give the most powerful shots tips. First step, we need a products. What it is, you need a company profiles, you need a much more discovers of the DXN. DXN is the don't believe, don't discover others people will be give the short information of the DXN but not complete this information. You will be studying the self informations, improving your skills, improving your confidence. That will be that is the exactly whatever you want to the learning the skills. I have the much more benefits. I have the increasing and the collecting the informations will be give the today will be give and the talk of the DXNs. DXN company is not a one only company, will be the increasing your whole life, changing your lifestyle, change your thinking. You have to negative people the cut and the positive people will be the increasing the success any people's need. Why? You will be living the freedoms is the most powerful tools but is not an easy way the success. You struggling, you dedications, you work hard, you smart work, the think hard, you will be the increasing the DXN. Comment below will be give the most powerful the ideas and the techniques how to starting the DXN business all around the world. Will be the travel the much more country. If you company gives the target the every year you will be travel all around the world. This opportunity is not give the others company, others platforms. You will be need the only learning. This books is the whole explain of the DXN. I hope we know any reasons so that if you learning, if you believe, if you work hard, if you learning, if you help others peoples, you need a success. Without help others peoples, without give them much more valuable information how to change in your life, only you spending the time in these books. That when I was the value, what it is that this book's value of the DXNs. This books is the most powerful how to start in the your DXN business, how to start in the your career if you retire in your teen age, the 25 and the 30, only 5 years how to growing, how to establishing, how much more knowledge increasing the sort of time. Comment below if you trust these books will be the help